Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ZombieLand. Next, and today we're going to react on Kolkata's aircraft museum, and it is one of the big aircraft museum in India. So, and it is the second largest and biggest airport museum, or actually aircraft museum in India. So let's see how big this aircraft museum is, and this video is from your Debdut YouTube channel. So let's go to the video and watch this. Okay. Oh. Okay. It is not constructed here. It is going to be made, or it is in construction phase. Oh. Oh, this is the aircraft, man. Great job. Cool, man. We also have a really great museum in our country, aircraft museum. It's cool. Cool, man. That's amazing, the way it is taken.
जैसे सारे इक्विपमेंट्स को विजिटर्स के लिए असेंबल किया है। ओपन होने के बाद कोई भी विजिटर्स एयरक्राफ्ट के अंदर जाकर सब कुछ देख सकता है। इवन विजिटर्स कैन सी अ डमी पायलट इन द कॉकपिट एंड व्हाट एयरक्राफ्ट म्यूजियम था। मतलब आप यहां पे एक असली एयरक्राफ्ट की तरह सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं अपने।
This plane is for Indian Navy. Oh. It is cool, man. There should be more plane in this aircraft. It's not that big. Okay, that is okay. That is cool. We have a large airport museum, aircraft museum in our country, and that was really beautiful. Cool, man. That is great, man. That is great. Yeah. That's a cool video from Debdut YouTube channel, and man, I just love the place and love the history of this video. Indians, you have a new aircraft museum, so you can just go and chill there, man. And if it was open, please let me know in the comment box and let me know how do you think about place and about all the aircraft museums of India, how they are, where they are, and how beautiful they are. So that's it for today, man. I'm not going to talk much about anything because talking much is shit. So that's it. That's for today. Subscribe to my channel and you can watch more videos here for about India, about many other countries. Just click these videos and you will have more videos about India and other we have a great reaction there. Just click this video and watch this. Subscribe now if you have new reaction. Thank you for watching. Peace.